mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? While mirrors are useful, they are often beautiful as well. You can enjoy the advantages of a mirror and still express your individual style and taste. Let's get started making this beautiful custom mirror made from a Dollar Tree hat. First, the metal ring is spray painted with the color Clamshell by Rust-Oleum. This step is important to prevent the metallic color from showing through the straw strips. Next, the styrofoam ring is painted with khaki colored and antique white acrylic paint. In this step, I am making sure I cover the green to avoid it showing through the strips of the hat. Make sure that all of the green is covered. Put the styrofoam on top of the metal wreath form and tie it with jute. You're going to do this at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. So therefore, it is connected in 4 areas. You need to tie the jute tight and secure it with hot glue. Once that step is completed, I am ready to start wrapping my strips of the straw hat. I am hot gluing the first piece to the back side of the styrofoam and then adding hot glue to the metal wreath form. This process will continue until the form is completely covered. Now this may take a while, so put on some music and keep wrapping. Now I have completed this process, so it's a wrap. So I love the way it looks, but I am going to modernize it. I am hot gluing a strip of terracotta colored faux leather ribbon starting at the back of the form and then winding it around to the front. But I am going to adhere both pieces to the back with hot glue. And I am gluing these strips at specific areas, 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock around the frame. The mirror needs to be secured to the frame. I really didn't want to hot glue the mirror to the Dollar Tree hat. So as you can see, I placed 4 wooden beads on the faux leather ribbon and it held the mirror nicely. So when you're finally done with everything, now it's time to hang it on the wall. I folded 4 inches of jute to make a hanger, and then I hot glued that to a piece of hat to the frame. I loved how it came out. It is fabulous. So, if you have liked what you've seen, please like, comment, save, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I would love to have you join to see new, unique, and stylish DIYs. Thanks for watching, and remember to take care of yourself and smile, as smiling is free. See you next time.